White Plains Honda, the area's leader in new and certified pre-owned Honda sales and service, knows that consumers looking for a car dealer aren't just interested in sales events. It's about community. Opened in 1987, White Plains Honda was the area's first Honda dealership. We've been very successful through the years, and we believe that our success at White Plains Honda is the result of how we treat our guests. Learn more about White Plains Honda at www.whiteplainshonda.com. While you're there, design and customize your next vehicle. Find out about our internet specials. Speak to an online representative to answer your questions now, and see what makes us different than your average dealership. White Plains Honda is located at 344 Central Avenue in White Plains, New York.